Greetings of the day, dear students. I welcome you all today. I hope you all are keeping well. Before we start the lesson, let us join our hands and pray. Dear Lord, please embrace your loving arms around my family and friends. Keep them always protected, secured, loved, and blessed. This I ask in your name, O Lord. Amen. So, my dear students, today we will learn a new topic, that is place value. But before we start, let us quickly recall what all topics we have covered so far. So, we have done counting from 1 to 500, missing number, before, after and between numbers, ordinal numbers, skip counting, tables of 2, 3, 5, 10 and 11, and number names from 1 to 50. So I hope you all have completed your written work in your notebook. Okay, so as we already know the counting from 1 to 500, let us try to write numbers in different boxes and find out how many boxes are used to write the given number. So let us take the first example. Take the number 5. Let us write it in a box. But remember to start writing it from the right side. So here we begin. So we have got 3 boxes here and we will be writing the number 5 starting from the right side. So the number 5 will come in this box. Okay. Now here, as you can see, only one box is used to write the number 5. So we can say that 5 is one digit number. Can you see here? Only one box is used to write the number 5. So we can say this is a one digit number. Now let us go to the next example. Now take the number 91. Let us write it in box, but again you remember to start writing it from the right side. Okay. So again we have 3 boxes here. Let us write 91 beginning from the right side. So 1 will come in this box and 9 will come in this box. So as you can see here, 2 boxes are used to write the number 91. So we can say that 91 is 2-digit number. 91 is a 2-digit number. That means to write the number 91, we have used 2 boxes here. Now let us take one more example. Take the number 367. Let us write it in the box, but remember to start writing it from the right side. So we have 3 boxes again. Let us write 367 beginning from the right hand side. We will write 7, 6, and 3. So here 3 boxes are used to write the number 367. So we can say that 367 is 3-digit number. As you can see here, we have used 1, 2, 3 boxes to write the number 367. So this is a 3-digit number. Now let us conclude. We learn about digits. 1-digit number where a given number has 1 digit. For example, number 5. So just now we saw the example 5. It was written only in one box, so it is a 1-digit number. Next, 2-digit number where a given number has 2 digits. For example, 91. So we just now wrote 91 in 2 boxes. So this is a 2-digit number. 3-digit number where a given number has 3 digits. For example, 367. As we wrote 367 in 3 boxes, so this shows that 367 is a 3-digit number. I hope you were able to understand what are digits. As we and our friends have different names, let us give names to each boxes we saw just now. So here are the 3 boxes. Let us give names to each box, starting from right side. Now, can you see this blue box? We will start giving the names from this box. Let us see now. So, this box is ones place. This is tens place. And this is hundreds place. So, when a number is written in this box, we say it is at ones place. Now, when a number is written in this box, we say it is at tens place. And finally, when the number is written in this box, we say that it is at hundreds place. Now, what is place value? Place value tells us the value of each digit in a number. Just now we saw how to name each box. Let us look at some numbers to know which digit is at which place. We will again take the same examples. So we saw that 5 is a 1-digit number as only one box is used to write the number 5. Now let us see what is the place value of 5. Can you see this arrow? So let us find out what is the place value of this number 5. I hope you remember. Guess the answer. Very good. It is at ones place. Let us take the next example, the number 91, which is a 2-digit number, as 2 boxes are used to write the number. Now let us see what is the place value of each digit in 91. So how many digits are there? There are 2 digits, and let us find out what is the name of each digit. Very good. One is at ones place. And 9 is at tens place. Well done. Now let us take the next example. The number 367. It is a 3-digit number. Why? Because here 3 boxes are used to write the number 367. So let us see what is the place value of each digit in the number 367. So we have to write the place value of each digits. So there are three digits. Let us begin now. I hope you remember. So 7 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place, and 3 is at hundreds place. Excellent. Very good. So we learn about place value, which tells us the value of each digit in a given number. That is ones, tens, and hundreds. I hope the topic was clear to you. I will be uploading a worksheet dated 30th April. Kindly complete it in your notebook. Thank you, my dear students. Take care of yourself. We will continue with the same topic in the next video. Till then, goodbye.